Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all for our social studies online class. Students, we have already started our second chapter, Changing Lifestyles. In that, we learn about different types of food, clothing, housing. Today, we are going to start our next point, that is work. Work environment too has changed with time. Technology changes, computers and the internet have made a great difference in the way people work. In earlier time, everything was handwritten and which took a great deal of time. Later, typewriters. Typewriters were used to type in all the information, and information was stored on papers in files which took a great amount of space. But today everything is changed. Today almost everything is computerized. People can access information and work from anywhere in the world. There are offices that allow people to work from home.
Then our next point is schools. Schools too have undergone changes. In ancient times, there were no schools. Children sat under trees or in open spaces. There were no textbooks. You can see this in this picture. Gradually, schools came up. Teachers began to use the blackboard or the green board to teach. But with time, the chalk and talk method is slowly being replaced by more modern teaching methods. Technology helped develop these facilities for schools. Smart boards, videos, PowerPoint presentations, and educational trips have made learning more Entertainment has changed completely over the years. In the early years in India, when there was no television, radio was a popular means of entertainment. Cinema halls were rare and located mostly in cities. People entertained themselves by going to fairs or watching live shows. Gradually, television broadcasting was introduced in India. Cinema halls became a common sight. Today, multiplexes have come up in all major cities. Cable television has become a popular form of home entertainment. People sit at home and watch movies on DVD players or play games on the computer. Thus, with time changes take place, sometimes it takes us a longer to adjust to changes, but we have to adapt to change if it is for our good. Now, it's a time of vocabulary. Students, you have to write this vocabulary in your notebook. Our first word is broadcasting. It means to send out messages or programs to be received by radios or televisions. Second one is entertainment. It means performances that people enjoy. Next one is generation. A group of people in the society who are born and live around the same time. Junk food. Food items that are not healthy. Nutrients. Useful substances that the body needs. Perishable. A thing that gets spoiled easily. Processed. Here it means to add substances to food items to keep them fresh for a long time. Traditional. It means relating to or based on old customs or beliefs. Then recap. Students, every time we draw the chart. This time also you have to draw this chart in your notebook. Changing lifestyles, everything is written there. You have to write it properly in your notebook. Now it's a question time. Students, now I will ask you true or false. Eating too much burger is good for health. Tell me, what is the answer? Eating too much burger is good for our health. No, this sentence is false. Then second one. Flats have open courtyard. Yes? No, this sentence is also false. Flats don't have open courtyards. Then third one. In earlier times, people watched cinemas in cinema halls. Yes, this sentence is true. Then the last one. We must adapt to changes if it is for our good. Yes, we must adapt to changes if it is for our good. This sentence is true. Write this properly in your textbook also and notebook also. Then the next question is word greed. Look at this picture carefully and find the words in the grid. Clues are also given. In the grid, our first word is jeans, sari, skirt, trousers. You can find more also. Thank you. Remaining question answers I will send PDF on Classroom app. Write it everything properly in your notebook and textbook also.